Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the move option in the polygon actions of ZModeler in ZBrush. Before I start into the video, I just wanted to ask one question. Can you answer what is n-gon? If you have ever heard of this, please let me know in the comments section. So let's have a look on the ZModeler move option here. So to pick the ZModeler, you can just go to the brush and then choose the ZModeler here. Or you can press B, Z and M. Once you have pressed that, you get the ZModeler into the action, and then you can hit space bar, okay, or you can hit right click by hovering your cursor onto the polygon. Once you have got that, you just need to select the move, which is literally means moving the polygons. So once that is done, you have different target options here like single poly, flat island, poly loop, poly group, etc. So we have two modifiers here. One is align to normal and align to axis. So let me just choose a poly loop flat and then select these polygons and just click and drag here, and you should be able to see the polygons are moving in their normal direction. So let's have a look on the option called align to axis. For that, let me pick align to axis here and then select the polygon here. So this polygon is facing 45 degrees unlike the other polygons here. So when I select these polygons here and then just click and drag, you should be able to see these polygons are moving in the world axis of the viewport, which is the x-axis in this case. If I select this one, they move in the z-axis. If I select this one, they are moving in the y-axis. Now, if I choose it to normal direction, all the polygons move in their normal directions like that. So let me just try this move option in the normal direction, and then I will choose the poly loop complete. So it is going to transform or move all the polygons around the model. When I just select the polygons and drag it, technically this polygon should move in this direction and those polygons should move in the vertical direction, which is basically the normal of that. But this tool doesn't do that way, because the main point about this tool is they don't get deformed. The total selection move as one solid object. Generally, if I expect these polygons to move in their own respective normal directions, the shape will be deformed, which is not offered in this tool. Okay, so this is one limitation. If you are expecting this normals to be transformed, you can try this on a cylinder model. Even when I just take the cylinder here and then make polymesh 3D and then choose the move in the normal direction and then just click and drag, I generally expect the polygon should go in their own normal directions, but it's not happening that way. The first polygon which we have selected, its normal direction in which all the polygons are going to be moved, not in their own respective individual faces. That's one thing you should remember about this tool. So if you got any questions about this tool, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit the like button for this video. Thank you very much.